In this video, we are going to see how we can deal with the unwinding of prepaid expenses, as we have a last transaction for this particular project, which is of 31st of January, and it says rent expense for January adjusted from advance rent account for an amount of $1,000. So here we are not paying the rent physically because we have already paid the advance rent in the starting. If we scroll up in our project, we have this transaction of 4th of January, which says advance rent paid for 6 months at $1,000 per month by cash. So at this point, since the benefit was not yet consumed, so we have recorded this not as an expense, but as a prepaid asset. So we have recorded this as a current asset. And now only the portion of January should be converted to rent expense because the month has come to an end and we have consumed the premises for January. So we want to adjust it from the prepaid rent, which is an asset account, to an expense account only to the portion of this month's rent, which is $1,000. So from Odoo, just go to the accounting tab and click on the accounting and click on journal entries. Here we just create a new journal entry. Reference number, we can mention any reference number here. And the accounting date is 31st of January. It goes under miscellaneous operation, but if you want to configure the journal settings of this miscellaneous operations, you can click on the journals from the configuration tab and check the miscellaneous operations. Also, you can create a new journal type as well. So let's check this under miscellaneous journals. No default account is defined. So I think this is better. And let's open this draft. If you want to find any draft, just go to the journal entries and just uncheck this filter. And here you can see the draft, and also you can apply more filters like unposted, and you can easily locate it. Let's delete this extra one and let's continue with this one. Okay, so this one as a miscellaneous operation is fine. Just we have to put rent expense as debit. Make sure you categorize it in the rent, which is an expense account. So whatever starts from 6 is the indirect expense. Now let's mention the label. Just copy this narration right here, click on this one and paste. On the debit side, we post 1,000, and on the credit side, we just post prepaid expenses where we initially entered the balance, and we paste the same narration. So 1,000 is debit as a rent expense, and against that, we have unwinded the prepaid expenses with just the amount that we consume the benefit of. Just click post, and that's how we do it. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.